Welcome to my channel, Very Okay. Here, we'll be exploring everything from delicious recipes to fascinating bits of knowledge and everything in between. So if you're looking for a fun and informative channel to follow, you've come to the right place.
Very okay. Welcome to this video about the incredible health benefits of sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, a German fermented cabbage dish, has been enjoyed for centuries for its unique flavor and numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll explore why sauerkraut is such a nutritional powerhouse and how it can benefit your health in many ways. From improving digestion and boosting your immune system to promoting weight loss and reducing inflammation, sauerkraut is a versatile and delicious food that everyone can benefit from. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonderful world of sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage dish that originated in Germany, is a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. This tangy and savory food has been enjoyed for centuries for its distinct flavor and health benefits. One of the primary reasons why sauerkraut is so good for you is because it's a fermented food. Fermentation is a process in which microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, and fungi break down the sugars in the food, producing beneficial compounds like probiotics, enzymes, and vitamins. These compounds can help support your digestive health, boost your immune system, and even improve your mood. Sauerkraut is also low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent food choice for weight loss. A cup of sauerkraut contains just 27 calories and 4 grams of fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce your overall calorie intake. Plus, sauerkraut is a good source of vitamin C and vitamin K, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin, bones, and immune function. If you're looking to incorporate sauerkraut into your diet, there are many ways to enjoy it. You can eat it on its own as a snack or side dish, or add it to sandwiches, salads, or even tacos. Sauerkraut can also be used as a topping for hot dogs, bratwurst, or other grilled meats, adding a tangy and flavorful twist to your favorite dishes. In conclusion, sauerkraut is an excellent food choice for anyone looking to improve their health and lose weight. With its unique flavor and numerous health benefits, sauerkraut is a versatile and tasty addition to any diet. So why not give it a try and see how it can help you achieve your health and fitness goals? In addition to its health benefits and versatility, sauerkraut is also a relatively easy food to make at home. All you need is shredded cabbage, salt, and a large jar or crock to ferment the mixture in. Simply mix the cabbage and salt together, pack it tightly into your container, and let it sit at room temperature for several days to several weeks, depending on how sour and tangy you prefer it. It's worth noting that sauerkraut is high in sodium, so if you're watching your sodium intake, it's important to consume it in moderation. However, compared to other high-sodium foods like processed snacks and fast food, sauerkraut is a much healthier choice. Overall, sauerkraut is a delicious and nutritious food that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Whether you're looking to lose weight, support your digestive health, or simply enjoy a tasty and unique dish, sauerkraut is a great addition to any diet. Here are 5 reasons why you should consider adding sauerkraut to your diet. Number 1. Supports digestive health. Sauerkraut is a rich source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote healthy digestion and gut health. Eating sauerkraut regularly can help improve your gut flora, prevent digestive issues like constipation and bloating, and even reduce your risk of certain diseases. Number 2. Boosts immune function. The probiotics in sauerkraut also support your immune system by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and strengthening your gut lining. This can help improve your body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. Number 3. Lowers inflammation. Sauerkraut is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help reduce inflammation throughout your body. This can help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Number 4. Promotes weight loss. Sauerkraut is low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after meals. This can reduce your overall calorie intake and support weight loss. Number 5. Improves nutrient absorption. Fermented foods like sauerkraut can help improve your body's ability to absorb nutrients from other foods. This can ensure that you're getting the most out of your diet and maintaining optimal health. Overall, sauerkraut is a tasty and nutritious food that can benefit your health in many ways. Whether you're looking to improve your gut health, boost your immune system, or support weight loss, sauerkraut is a versatile and delicious addition to any diet.
If you want to see more recipes, knowledge, and fun content, make sure to subscribe to the Very OK channel and turn on notifications. And don't forget to give this video a like and leave a comment to let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Very OK.